Hey everybody, Davita and Kai here at Canine Connection. We just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about prong collars today. So this is a Hermspringer 2.25 prong collar. We use this tool every day on basically every dog in our program. This is a very popular and versatile tool. We use it for behavior correction and for leash walking. And it's a really good tool that we use a lot, so we wanted to give you guys a little bit of information on them. We exclusively use Hermspringer 2.25 and 3.0 prong collars. We use the 2.25 on 90% of all dogs. The only dogs that we ever use the 3.0 on are going to be your much larger XL 2X dogs, much larger dogs. So the 2.25 that has smaller prongs gives you a nice level of correction. You actually get more correction per inch or bites per inch with these. We use the Hermspringer because they're a high quality stainless steel. They have rounded tips, so there's no cuts or anything like that. And they typically hold their form. They don't get bent out of shape and pop off and give you a bunch of trouble like some of the lower quality ones. So we really like the Hermspringer product, and I can put the link for this to this collar in the comments for you guys. Okay, so to put your prong collar on and off, stay here. To put your prong collar on and off, you just squeeze the tips here like that, squeeze them like that, and then you just place them in the holes. And to remove it, you just push up with one finger like that, and then pinch those, and they come right apart, right? Now, to put this on your dog, you want it to sit nice and high on the neck, right behind the ears. See that? That's where it should be placed. You should have a little tip to it where the leash connects. It should set just offset from the back of the neck on whichever side you're walking your dog on. So nice and high on the neck. You want it to be snug where you can get your fingers under it, but not be able to turn it over. And you want that to stay up there. If it slides down, you want to make sure to pull it back up, okay? You don't want it down here low riding on the neck. That's going to limit the correction that you get, and it's just not going to be as effective. So you want to make sure to keep that nice and high and snug up on the neck. If your dog is between sizes, you would just have to figure out which one works better. You don't want it to be too tight and digging into them and things like that, but you don't want it down low, like down against their shoulders or anything like that. Okay, so that is the Hermspringer 2.25 prong collar. All right. Now, remember, if you're using this and you're giving a correction on your dog, this is just going to be like a leash pop type correction the majority of the time. You don't want to hold pressure on it. Anytime this is up in a triangle shape, the leash or the collar is engaged and you are correcting your dog, even if it's just slightly tightening, they can feel that pressure and they think they're getting corrected, even though they may not be doing anything. It could just be you holding the leash too tight. So you want to make sure that that stays flat unless you need to give the correction, and then you're going to give a leash pop, okay? And it's can just be as small as just popping your wrist. All right? All right. Thank you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and we will see you back for more tips and training tips and tools. All right?